Hi guys, we're doing another tour of a truck stop. Well, this isn't technically a truck stop, it's a fuel station or a gas station. It's on the I-15 exit 12 in Nevada called Terrible's. This side of the road is where the Terrible's I'm going to tour is found, and across the street that's where the truck stop is, where you can get diesel fuel and park for the night. Plenty of parking on that side of the road. Now on this side of the road, there's just enough parking for a few trucks to do a 30-minute break. So unlike Buc-ee's in Texas, you can actually pull into this gas station, not fuel station, gas station, and do a great 30-minute break, and they're not going to kick you off of their yard. The way to get in is to enter the third entrance and go around the back of the building. And when you leave, stay as far left as you can as you exit the front of these fuel stations to pull out. It'll make it much easier to get your trailer around the corner there. So as you can see, they have, according to this, 96 gas pumps. I've never seen them all being used at the same time ever. So Terrible's Roadhouse, and this is the only one like this. There are a lot of Terribles I've seen around this part of the country, but this is the only one as big as this. It's not a truck stop because it doesn't have diesel fuel, it doesn't have showers, it doesn't have a trucker's lounge, but let's see what it does have. Oh, for $1 you can find out what's in there, and a few more little tourist trap gizmos. All right, coming inside the store, do a real quick look around and can get an idea of how massive it is. So big, it's impossible to see everything in one trip. James Bond car, it's always fun. No touching though, just looking. All right, I can start on one side and do a complete circle all the way around. Shopping like crazy for all age groups. Doesn't matter what you want or what you like, you'll find something. If you don't, I don't know what to tell you. And then of course there's the giant Jack Link Sasquatch. A little bit scary. If you have kids, sensitive kids, you might not want to bring them in here. Give them nightmares. So we got a little sitting area, so I guess you could call that a trucker's lounge. T-shirts and all kinds of beef jerky, and this is only the beginning of the beef jerky selections at this place. Look at all that. Kind of cool decor, I like that. Okay. And we got the Red Bull station. It could be considered another little trucker's lounge. It's got chairs and benches and stuff. And then over here, got our alcohol section, because you know we are in Vegas. There we go. Captain Morgan. And we got a little freezer section, frozen treats. Oh, and another airplane. All kinds of fun things. You look around and you'll see something in every direction. There's the beer cave. And then all the rest of the great refreshing drinks for the road. This is Mark's favorite section right back here. This is if he gets lucky enough to drive through here during the daytime, he can stop and get himself a what? A what? White Castle. Yeah, there's been times I have woke up and found a couple leftover White Castles from his Crave box. I have to tell you, if I'm hungry enough, they actually taste good, even cold. If you don't know what a White Castle is, it's a little teeny steamed burger with onions put on little teeny slider buns, and then Mark likes to add the spicy brown mustard onto them. Okay, so next we have row after row after row after aisle of all of the junk foods you can possibly dream of. Can't find it here. Probably isn't out there to have in the first place. So if you have a lot of different taste buds riding with you on your next road trip, this will be the place to find something for everyone. All right, gotta come over here, and a mega coffee bar. Little bit of everything. Make your own iced coffee, nitros, all the creamers, fresh brewed coffee, just everything. And over here, oh, look how cute. Oh, good morning, Grandma. Good morning, child. Those are clever. I like them. Good morning, beach life. No kidding. As you can see, there is no shortage of goodies. Every candy a person, can make yourself a little smoothie. More candies and more candies. Now you get an idea where we're at, circling around. Keep an eye on him and we'll always know where we are. Okay, here's why I like stopping here. Check it out. 25 stalls. And it's got really cute decor. Look at that. And all kinds of cute little sayings. Lift your spirit, make you giggle. So stopping here, I have yet to had to stand in a line day or night. I'm filming this at 2:30 in the morning, so as you can see, I've got the whole entire truck stop pretty much to myself, other than a couple of employees wandering around. I like big butts, and I cannot lie. Sprinkles are for cupcakes. Mark says there's a bunch of different sayings in the men's bathroom, but he wasn't brave enough to take the camera in and film it for me. Maybe I should have slipped in myself when nobody was there. Okay, so mega soda fountain. So many drinks. Don't have to worry about waiting for anybody to get their ice ahead of you. Just walk up and grab a refreshing drink. And then we got all these little knickknacks you can take home. Candies from all the different eras. Let's see if they've represented 1970 proper. Got bad lighting. Sorry, guys. Oh, Laffy Taffy. Oh, yeah. Swedish Fish. Love those ones. All right. Krispy Kreme. You can tell it's the end of the day. If you're a fudge fan, they got fudge galore, all packaged and ready to go. I know Cameron would be happy to pick out a few of these. I personally am not a fudge fan and don't understand the attraction. But fortunately, the world is full of fabulous diversity, and to each their own. I'll fix these. There we go. The flavors all look good, but they're so sweet. So sweet. And the next thing we come up on is the hot grill. Unfortunately, most truck stops have stopped putting anything on their hot grills at night, so no food for me, nice and toasty warm at 2 in the morning. Fortunately, I cook enough for dinner. I have leftovers for my 2:30 in the morning midnight snack. All right, now we come to the jerky bar. Sorry, they have lids on everything, you can't see it. So we'll just look at the different flavors, see if something grabs your taste bud delights. A spicy one. Little wild boar, buffalo, or elk, as well as the beef. And then Lunchables for the kids with the particular taste buds. And this is one of the things I usually cave and get. Some spice nuts, nice and fresh and hot. My favorite one are the candied pecans. Almonds, cashews, and pecans, or pecans, however you want to pronounce it. Okay, we'll head over to the corner that has just a few road tripping tools. Oh, look at these. Let's see if they have any names I know. A few. There's always somebody's name missing. Oh, Cameron and Candace. Spelled wrong, of course. Casey. No Elliot. Told you, always a name missing, always. That would explain why the custom order things on Etsy are doing so well. You can get the right name spelled correctly for anybody you know. Okay. They don't have nearly as many vehicles as you find at the Russells I showed you earlier, but a few fun things to look at. Look at those nice comfortable seats. The bench seat in the front, I remember always sitting between my mom and dad as we went on road trips. Yes, I'm that old. And now into the more specialty candy section. Because, you know, there wasn't enough sugar on the other side of the place. Oh, root beer. Okay, so Jelly Bellies, if that's something you're into. Got a little bit of every flavor. Mix and match however you want. If you're an M&M fan and you forgot to hit the M&M store while you were in Vegas, you got it all right here. You can just grab it on your way out. Probably a lot less of a headache than the giant 5-story M&M store is. If all you're after is colorful flavored M&Ms, of course. I think these are the best way in the world to teach children colors and how to count. They are highly motivated. 5 green M&Ms minus 1 green M&M equals. At the end of the video, I have all of the saltwater taffies and their flavors as a guide for anybody that wants to know what they're eating before they put it in their mouth. If they grab a bag of, or if somebody brings you a bag of saltwater taffies as a gift from their vacation. Okay, we got all of the nostalgia, all the older candies, big hunks, bazookas, oh yeah. A little blast from the past. Bring out the child in you and while you're on your road trip. Oh, even more, just in case they miss something on that other shelf. Recognize anything? I remember those. I wasn't crazy about them though. Ugh. And I like coconut, so. And we wonder why children get confused about what they can eat and what they can't eat. Can eat these Band-Aids, but not those Band-Aids. Silly. Oh, yum. Abba Zabbas. Those are one of my favorites. My teeth aren't so crazy about them anymore, but I like them. Nougat wrapped around peanut butter, melted in the dashboard of the car so it gets super soft and chewy. Okay, every kind of candy. Got a big party coming up and you want something, you can find it here. Who knew? Oh, and look, what do we have over here? This looks a little more my style. Oh yeah, some good chocolates. Some chocolates from around the world. Germany there. Yeah, you don't have to ask me twice if I want one of those. All right, then over here, you can get your picture in Vegas. You don't have to worry about doing it on this trip with all the people. We got more candy from around the world. Oh my goodness. I guess if you bring the kids in here, just bring them this direction. They don't need to see the big monster on the other side. So you're getting the idea. So much to choose from. Could end up quite overwhelmed. Don't worry, you can get any Vegas knick-knack that proves that you were here. Just stop at Terrible's. Oh. Oh, that's kind of cool. Nice travel stuff. Sanitizer pen. Now I've seen it all. Oh my gosh. What do we got here? If those would prevent my shampoo from spilling in my backpack, I might have to pick some up. all kinds of, yeah, okay. This might be a good purchase. Nothing's worse than cleaning the backpack out when it's got shampoo, conditioner, or lotion spilled all over inside it. Oh, look how cute. Silicone bottles. Okay. Not just a truck stop. Bakers like to bake. Got the idea. Okay, so you got the idea. It's huge. You can get lost in here. And oh, one more thing to check out over here. They've got the current traffic conditions, and it changes so you can see the routes in all directions out of Vegas here. Pretty cool. Wouldn't mind if they had something like this in every truck stop across the country. And then right above it, the current weather everywhere. Nice to know. Okay, there you go. Now you can say, I've been to Terrible's, or you've seen Terrible's. Maybe you'll be here someday too. And now the saltwater taffy. Enjoy. And thanks for joining Million Mile Millie.